Good morning. It's April 2nd, and I just got back from picking up 2 packages of bees. It was a rough year for my hives. Out of the 6 hives I had, I lost 5 of them, and so I'm kind of starting back from scratch. They looked good in February. We had a couple of cold days and came back to check on them, and had even been feeding them, and they were dead. Pounds and pounds of bees dead in the bottom of the hive. So I'm going to install these 2 new packages today. Look, I even got some help. This will probably go really well. Cows are down here, but I'll shoot a little video of what's going on and let you come along with me. Thank you. Get you a shot of this first nuke I'm fixing to put in. It's a 5 frame. Looks like they've got some comb drawn out. It looks like they're pretty healthy. Quite a few bees in there. So we're gonna move them from the nuke box over into this deep. Shot of the second nuke before I put it in. Looks like we got honey drawn out, a couple of new frames in there, and looks like another good healthy nuke. Let me get it transferred over. Well, I have them worked up a little bit. They seem to be a little meaner than the other ones I put in. Maybe they'll be good honey producers. We'll know by the middle of June or the end of July. Okay, I'll get back with you.